Welcome back to the R2 Key Money Mind channel, where we help you unlock the secrets to creating wealth and abundance in your life. Today, we're diving into Chapter 2 of The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Chapter 2 of The Secret by Rhonda Byrne is a deep exploration of the concept of the law of attraction, which is the fundamental principle underlying the teachings of the book. In this chapter, Byrne outlines in detail the various ways in which the law of attraction works, and how we can harness this force to achieve our goals and manifest the life we desire. The chapter begins with a simple definition of the law of attraction: like attracts like. In other words, whatever we focus our thoughts and emotions on, we attract into our lives. This is a fundamental law of the universe, and it is always at work, whether we are aware of it or not. Byrne goes on to explain that our thoughts and emotions are the primary way in which we communicate with the universe, and that it is therefore essential that we become aware of what we are thinking and feeling at all times. She stresses the importance of being mindful of our thoughts and emotions, and of taking responsibility for them. One of the key ways in which we can harness the power of the law of attraction is through visualization. Byrne explains that when we visualize ourselves achieving our goals and living the life we desire, we are sending out powerful signals to the universe that we are ready to receive these things. Visualization helps to align our thoughts and emotions with our desires, and to create a powerful energy field that attracts what we want into our lives. To help readers put the principles of the law of attraction into practice, Byrne introduces the concept of the vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of our goals and desires, created by cutting out pictures and words from magazines and other sources and pasting them onto a board. By looking at our vision board regularly, we can keep our focus on our goals and desires, and strengthen our connection to the universe. Byrne also emphasizes the importance of gratitude in the process of manifesting our desires. When we are grateful for what we already have, we are sending out positive signals to the universe, and attracting more of the same into our lives. Gratitude helps us to stay focused on the present moment, and to maintain a positive attitude, even when things are not going as we would like them to. Throughout the chapter, Byrne uses a number of powerful examples to illustrate the workings of the law of attraction. She tells stories of people who have used the principles of the law of attraction to overcome illness, to achieve financial success, and to find love and happiness. These stories help to bring the principles of the law of attraction to life, and to show readers that these principles really do work. In conclusion, Chapter 2 of The Secret is a deep dive into the concept of the law of attraction, and how it can be used to create the life we desire. Through a combination of visualization, gratitude, and other techniques, we can learn to harness the power of this force to achieve our goals and live the life of our dreams. This chapter is a powerful reminder that we are all capable of creating the life we want, and that by focusing our thoughts and emotions on what we desire, we can attract it into our lives. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe R2 Key Money Mind and support us to produce more informative videos.